The 4WD Robotics Chassis is an educational learning kit for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to get hands-on experience with robotics and can extend electronic systems like Raspberry Pi and Arduino. It includes motors, a chassis, wheels, and a battery holder. The kit is easy to assemble and disassemble. The Smart Robot Chassis is made with laser-cut acrylic chassis with two dual-shaft motors for either side. This four-wheel robot car has placeholders for different sensors, servos, and modules, and it comes with a user manual and assembly video. The kit can be used to build a robot for distance sensing, obstacle avoidance, line following, flame detector, speed testing, wireless remote-controlled car, and any other creative works. This kit includes everything you need to get started with robotics, using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.